Why is Disney getting rid of the rivers of America and the riverboat Liberty Belle after all these years? All of this video is my opinion. These are the chapters to the short video. Overall, I'm sad to see this ride going away, as it's been one of my favorite over the years. Millions of people have relaxed to a different era while riding on Rivers of America Riverboat. In 1971, when Magic Kingdom opened, guests enjoyed slow-moving time travel. The 3-deck riverboat allowed everyone time to talk about something other than the hot Florida weather. A windmill, a fort, a Native American settlement, some plastic animals, and an island. The very scenery that added value to this ride now looks outdated and not amusing anymore. Culture has changed. The riverboat itself caught up in a time long ago as guests desire something new and fresh. How relevant is Rivers of America in the Liberty Belle to someone born in 1990 or later? These demographics is what companies have to think about for products and services. When families visit Disney for a week, it typically costs over $4,000 or more. For that kind of money, families want excitement after waiting in line after line in the Florida heat. Disney learned a valuable lesson transforming Universe of Energy to Guardians of the Galaxy ride in Epcot. It went from an almost empty ride as Universe of Energy to one where people are willing to wait in line for hours. Also became a top reason to visit Epcot and tell their friends about the experience. In my opinion, let's take a look at Star Wars Land Galaxy's Edge to understand the business model. It has globally recognized IP, many movies and characters, and 2 lands, one on each coast. One e-ticket ride called Rise of the Resistance, with one supporting ride called Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. One fancy out-of-this-world bar called Oga's Cantina, one quick-serve restaurant called Docking Bay, one large off-world themed gift shop area formatted like a mini mall with several small gift shops. Overall, 2 rides, which can take a while to stand in line, and a bunch of places to spend money. Many elements in this land combine to make it highly profitable, from food to buckets of merch. In my opinion, the new Cars Land is expected to feature 2 rides, food, and merch. The e-ticket attraction based on test track technology with cars racing around a predetermined track. A second ride for smaller, younger guests is also in the plans. One place to eat, most likely quick serve, which may have indoor-outdoor seating. A gift shop. Cross-promotion with the existing Art of Animation Cars Land is also possible. Conclusion. The parks have a lot of competition in many directions. A family can choose to take a vacation on many different cruise lines to destinations all over the world. They can visit a competitor theme park down the road from Magic Kingdom, visit many types of resorts all over the world as well. It's a business of staying relevant with your guests to keep coming back. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here is the next video to watch.